In the beginning, there was noise, endless offers, endless shouting, endless chasing, and many labored, yet harvested nothing. Then, a different path was revealed. The wise did not sell, they did not beg, they did not pressure, they gave. They planted value where others planted links. They sowed freely, and the harvest followed them. Leads came without force. Exposure came without effort. Trust was built while they slept. This is the proverb of the digital age. Give value first, and then you will reap. With the DFY Free Funnel System, you give away real value for free, forever. And in return, unlimited leads, massive exposure. Your message carried further than you could ever push it. The seed costs nothing. The harvest is abundance. Click below. Claim your free funnel and begin to reap what you sow. The wise marketers already have.